This week silver has jumped around. We can see the week has started with this indecision candle on the Monday, which is a bearish pin bar format at this support level. Then the next day, the same scenario almost, where we have indecision candle body with a wick going below the support level. And then on Wednesday, the price formed a strong bearish candle. It was a strong bearish candle engulfing candle where the price reached at 29.66 support level. This bearish breakout was invalidated with the next day, where the price formed a bullish breakout above 30.59 and then continued to rise in value up to the next resistance level, which was 31.21. The weekly time frame shows us a bullish candle with a large wick on the lower side and a small wick on the upper side, but it is a continuation of this bullish breakout in the previous week, which is just confirming the bullish breakout as a valid one. This confirmation suggests further rise in value. Monthly time frame is currently forming a bullish breakout above 30.59, a resistance level. This month has one more week until it closes, so the price needs to stay above 30.59 in order to form this bullish breakout. Then what will happen? We'll see what happens. If the price returns back down, it will be similar scenario like in the several months before, where we have attempt with a wick on the upper side and the candle close below. What will happen? It is very important, but as it looks right now, it looks as a bullish because we have a weekly time frame confirmed as a valid bullish breakout, and then we have a daily also confirmed a bullish breakout as a valid one above 30.59. The next level where the price needs to break is 31.21, and this is something that I am expecting it will happen next week because of this strong bullish momentum signals showing us a potential move higher and higher. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.